Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss some poetic devices like alliteration and personification in this video. As we have discussed some poetic devices already. So in today's video we will discuss these two poetic devices. Okay. So let's get started with the first one, that is alliteration. Alliteration means the repetition of the same sound at the beginning of a word. uh, Same sound is repeated at the beginning of every word. It may be two words or more than two words. For example, sheep should sleep in a shed. First sound is repeated at the beginning of every word. Sheep, should, sleep, and shed. Right? Next example. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. First sound is repeated. Peter Piper picked pickled peppers. Per sound is repeated at the beginning of a word, right? Bleeding bug. Per sound is repeated. So alliteration means repetition of the same sound at the beginning of a word. Okay, but you have to keep in mind that there is a difference between alliteration and rhyming words. You know what is an alliteration, and rhyming words means uh, rhyming words are the words which have the same sound repeating at the end of a word. Okay, alliteration means repetition of the same sound but at the beginning of a word. And rhyming words, it's also the repetition of same sound but at the end of a word. For example, rat, cat, mat, sat, bat. The sound is repeated but at the end of a word. So this is the difference between alliteration and rhyming word. Okay, got this? We repeat the same sound at the beginning in alliteration, and we repeat the same sound at the end of a word, that is rhyming words. Okay, now another poetic device, that is personification. Personification means giving human qualities or characteristics to something non-human or inanimate objects. Okay, or in simple words we can say personification means giving human qualities to non-humans. For example, the stars winked at me, the sun smiled at us, the wind whistles throughout the day. It doesn't mean that the stars wink. It means that the stars were twinkling. The wind whistled throughout the day. The wind can't whistle, but it means that the wind was blowing throughout the day. Okay, but these qualities, winked, smiled, whistle, these are the qualities of humans. Humans can do it. Humans can wink, humans can smile, humans can whistle. So human qualities are given to non-humans or inanimate objects or ideas. So this is known as personification. Okay, so here we have discussed two poetic devices, alliteration and personification. uh, if you will remember the poem which we have discussed last time on killing a tree, there some poetic devices were used. One of them was personification, one of them was alliteration. Personification, where personification is used, the poet portrays the tree as a human being throughout the poem, right? uh, so here the poet has used personification. Same, bleeding bark. Trees can't bleed, but it is trees have been given the qualities of humans. So here personification is also used. Alliteration is also used. Bleeding bark. B sound is repeated. So these are some poetic devices that we had discussed today. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss some other poetic devices. That is all about it. Thank you.